Team Deathmatch. I heard a story about a man, somewhat of a legend, rushing and strong in the battle, no matter the weapon. You can go to the campus, but you're gonna regret it when you get a boom like an angel is screaming from heaven. The game has just begun, it's about to rain more. Try to get revenge, but you're running through the same door, laying on the same floor, down like a nuclear sword. Even if you're over there, bunny hopping his claymores. Bring on the thunder, bring on the rain. Put the fear in your mind, let it ride through your veins. A hungry little beast, and he's out the cage. When you see him, better back away. Get on back, bring on the thunder, bring on the rain. Face the winds of a hurricane, it's not the same. If you're not on this level, better get out the way. When you hear that thunder ray, in the lobby you see him, legend of thunder. Get second chance and go 'cause you need him, he got your number. You know he's rocking puppies, defusing with chopper gun. So you're already thinking of places to hide under. Much you never say, so get to digging your grave. Through the wrath of an AK, picking you up as it sprays. When the grenade covered in clay hit your face, move sway, try to get away, but not today, huh? You can hide in the corner, sending out dark grace. Even though you know it's annoying, he will still come and destroy ya. Mull you over and take control of all that you hold and scavenge, reloaded, toted, blowing holes in your league, be broken. And there's no home for your bro in the dashboard. If you want, you can have more, you're mad 'cause you can't score. Go back to your ground war, rocket launchers and campus galore. KD is rising, but you cannot hang with the big boys. Bring on the thunder, bring on the rain. Put the fear in your mind, let it ride through your veins. A hungry little beast, and he's out the cage. When you see him, better back away. Get on back, bring on the thunder, bring on the rain. Face the winds of a hurricane, it's not the same. If you're not on this level, better get out the way. When you hear that thunder ray, you hear that chopper coming, the gun you die. Hit you when you're down, you stay alive, you can save you now.
¡Vamos, en el juego! ¡Vamos, pasen!
He's like an artist, a rap with his paintbrush, create with the same style. She comes with insane blood, the ace in a straight flush. She's on top of them all, no contender. Another ripper, never surrender, you will remember. Soviet Bush, rookie final, rolling crawling it back against the wall, but you're still about to fall. When the thunder and rain descends upon you to claim the very blood in your veins. Kill fetus and fill with his name. It's been a minute, you haven't seen him, the coast is clear, but then your body begins to shake from the sound you hear. Here coming enemy new, the hand of Zeus is coming down to claim you. Bring on the thunder, bring on the rain.